Hello guys, and welcome to this new episode of ExcelXam. So today we are going to have a new video which is entitled Changing into Currencies, okay, using the accounting format. Okay, so first thing first, you need to select the different things you need to change. Okay, let me assume I want to change these prices and attribute a particular currency to these prices. So what I do, I can just come here and select uh, accounting. By default, you will usually see general, but you could actually scroll down and choose accounting. From there, you could choose from, can just click from here and then you have it as you want, okay, as you can see. But I want to show you another method, okay. So what you need to do is that you can select, you right click and then you select format cell. From here you are going to click on accounting, right? I want to change maybe into euros and put into maybe 3 decimal places or 2 or 1 decimal place. Okay, so if I click on OK, I'm going to have something like this, which is just normal. Okay, because usually with currencies, their decimal places doesn't usually extrapolate 3. Okay, so what you need to do is then you just go back and you can change it to 1 decimal place or 2. Okay, so when you click on OK, you can see it came back as initial. Now just know that you can also have something very easier. Okay, so you can either increase the decimal places from here or you decrease the decimal places from here. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, so I think this video can or might help you very much. So don't forget to subscribe in order to have other videos on Excel, and let's see for the next time. Okay, so bye bye.